What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ki briew ki badan hapoh ka wei ka kali kila light thaula ka jingim hadin ba ka jingtwa mau ka ba kynsan kala light ban ya ka kali ka ba kisyong ha ka linti surok shilong pen ursla hajan ka shnong pomlum. Kani ka jingja kala jaha ka miet arterik risau kala wan long hadin ba ki mau ki ba syong kenrong kila tua kynsan bat light ban ya ka te ka kali ka bala julor jur kat ba kadang ya lingba ya ka ni ka surok ka badang don hapdeng ka jingshna penhe. Katkum ki khubor la ong ba ki briew ki badan hapoh ka te ka kali kila yok ban mi no kloy na po ka kali ka bala penlong bakin light na kanu ka jingja bas ngosi. Kani ka jingja kala wan long ru hadien ba ka SDO ka pen ursla kala pen mi ya ka jing pen menapat ba hakini kisngi bala dep ka ba maham ya ka leit ka wan jong ki kali hapdeng ka light lengkot bat lengker dem na ka menta ka jing shingan jong ki nong leit nong wan namar ka jing jur slap bat ka jing syong senjor ka kendo hakini ki jaka.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.